Hello, everyone. I'm so happy to share with you a message that I felt in my nice meditation exercise. I hope that will resonate so good from my heart to your heart. I hope that the bottom of my heart to your heart. I hope that sound, that light will help to bring the best, the highest vibration that we always have inside of our hearts. Now I'm going to read the message. Yeah, let's go. Love is the greatest vibration. Sing a song with love vibrations, and you will listen to your heart. Say words with love vibrations, and then you will listen to your heart. Choose sounds, energies in the higher vibrations. Then you will listen love. Yes. Oh my gosh, that's wonderful. Say, I love you. Sing, I love you. And then you will live a life respecting more, tolerating more, pacifying more, living a happier life, because we are going to put from inside to outside sounds, words, sounds, vibrations from the love. Thank you. Love you all. Oh, that's so good to say. Try that. What I learned with that? I learned to pay attention about how am I feeling. Yeah? And if I'm hearing some music, some sound, some news, I don't know, from the TV, from the social media, from the radio, everywhere, that I'm not feeling good, that's bring not good emotions, low vibration energy, low vibration emotions. I'm going to turn off. I'm not going to stay a long time listen those low levels of sounds, vibrations. Okay, I'm going to turn off. It's okay. And then I will ask to the universe, I will ask to all the good energies in the universe to send those feelings away from my mind, from my emotions. And then I will turn on good sound vibrations. I will listen songs that I feel good, that bring good emotions, good memories to me, that my heart, I feel, oh, okay, I'm listening my heart. I'm listening love. And then that really will help us to send away those bad sounds, those bad energy sounds. I hope your heart now is feeling the same vibration that I'm feeling in my heart now. Thank you.